guys, so today I'm gonna make a quick and honest review on this long-lasting chew toy for my dog. I'm super excited about this product because it's made out of nylon, so it's super long-lasting. I don't know about your pets, but mine chew a lot on our furniture and stuff, so I feel like this toy is going to be great because it's very durable, and it's going to make my puppy wanna bite on it more because it smells like bacon, which is really cool. It's going to catch their attention, and I hope this gets them from biting off of our furniture. So it comes in this box and it's made out of nylon, as I mentioned previously. And this shape, it's not the traditional bone shape, and this is meant to be easier for any kind of dog to grab it and chew and play with it. With the traditional bone shape, it's not as easy for them to grab it. And it's safe, it's durable, and the most fun feature about this product, as I mentioned earlier, it has this bacon scent. Another main reason that I'm very interested and excited about this product is because it's almost indestructible. It's a very hard material, so I feel like there's sometimes dogs that totally destroy any kind of plushies or any pet toys that are soft. So this is great if you have a very aggressive puppy or dog. This toy is not going to break. So let's unbox it. So this is the toy. It totally smells like bacon, which I feel like my dogs are going to absolutely love. And I just love that it's super sturdy. So as I mentioned, if you have any kind of dog that is very aggressive, they're not going to be able to destroy this toy. And I can just show you, my dog is super excited. He smelled the bacon. He's here asking for the toy already, which is really funny to me. He smelled the bacon scent. Of course, these are super long lasting, but it is important to replace them when they show some wear and tear. But I feel like my dog is never going to destroy this toy. So let's give it to my puppy and see how he likes it. So this is Milo, my little puppy that bites on all furniture, and he's already super excited about the toy. So let's see if the shape is easier to grab for my puppy. He's literally super excited. So let's see. He is super intrigued by the toy. As you could see, it was very easy for him to grab the toy with the shape of it. He's going to share it with her sister. But he's just super excited and intrigued by the product. You can see it's super easy for him to hold it and to play with it, and he's just super intrigued by the bacon smell. And the toy is shaped like this for him to be easily chewing and grabbing the toy, and I just think he absolutely loved it. You can tell by his excitement, and you can tell he's grabbing the toy very easily. So yeah, guys, overall, I feel like this toy is great. If you have puppies or dogs that love to chew on furniture and stuff, the bacon scent really intrigues the toy and makes him want to play with it. And as I said, this toy is super durable and strong, so they're not going to destroy it very easily. So yeah, guys, if you were interested in getting a new pet toy for your dog that loves to chew on stuff, and especially a toy that's not destructible easily, he absolutely loved it.